Hello everyone. Let us start our day with one inspirational quote. If you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. I repeat, if you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. So dear children, do not discourage if you don't accomplish your biggest goal at first attempt. Start by doing small steps that can help you lead towards your major goal. So today we are going to start with our new lesson, that is lesson fractions. In our previous standards we have seen what is fractions. So what is fraction? If a given thing is divided between 2, 3 or so many parts, then each part will be a fraction of the whole thing. Okay, so we have seen half part, quarter part, 3/4 part. Today we are moving towards a new topic of the fraction, that is equivalent fraction. Now see, if this is one complete whole bhakri, if I divide this complete one whole bhakri between two peoples, then each one will get this half part, right? Now what will be the fraction? We will write for this half part. Now you know that fraction is written in this format. Okay, and this is upon line, and this is numerator, and this is denominator. In the denominator we write down total number of parts. So how many total number of parts are there? Two parts are there, and out of these two parts I have selected one part, right? So for one part the fraction will be 1 upon 2, where 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator, right? Now this 1 upon 2 is also called as a half. Okay, now if this complete one whole bhakri, again if I divide it into 4 equal parts and give it to the two people, same two people, okay, so each one will get two parts, right? Each one will get two parts. So what will be the fraction for these two parts? Now you know that in the denominator we write down total number of parts. So I will write down 4 in the denominator part. Now since there are 4 parts and 2 people who are going to eat them, so each one will get 2 parts. 4 पार्ट्स है, दो लोगों में बांटने हैं, तो हर एक को कितना मिलेगा बेटा? 2 पार्ट्स मिलेगा. So selected parts will be 2. So in the numerator I will write down 2. So the fraction for these 2 parts is 2 upon 4. Okay, so fraction for these 2 parts are 2 upon 4. So each one will get 2 upon 4 parts. But can you see this 2 upon 4 part is exactly same as this part? Can you see this? Okay, so can I call these two parts as a half part? They both becomes half part, right? So here same, this 2 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator. Okay, so when such type of things occur, that is the value of the fraction is same, then they are called as the equivalent fraction. In the same way, if I divide the same bhakri into 6 equal parts and give away 3 parts, then it will also be a half part. Okay, so these all are half part. This 1/2 is also half, this 2/4 is also half, and this 3/6 is also half. Okay, so all halves are equal. So it means that the value of 1/2, 2/4 and 3/6 is same. Hence 1/2 is equals to 2/4 is equals to 3 upon 6. So 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6 is same. Okay, such fractions of equal value are called as equivalent fractions. So now you can see the new word equivalent fraction. What is this? जब सारे फ्रैक्शंस की वैल्यू सेम होती है, दो फ्रैक्शंस की वैल्यू सेम होती है, तब उसे इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस बोला जाता है. नंबर्स डिफरेंट है, ऑल्दो नंबर्स आर डिफरेंट बट देयर वैल्यूज आर सेम, देन दे आर इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन. लेट अस सी वन मोर एग्जांपल. This is 1 pi. If I divide it among 3 parts and if 2 parts are selected, what is this? 2 parts are selected. What is its fraction? 2 upon 3. Its fraction is 2 upon 3. सी इन दो पार्ट्स का फ्रैक्शन क्या बना 2/3. Now if the same pie, if I divide it among 6 equal parts, and select 4 parts out of these 6, then the fraction for these 4 parts are 4/6. Now see, since total parts are 6, I will write down 6 in the denominator and the selected parts are 4s. Hence 4 I will write down in the numerator. Okay, so its part is 4/6. Okay, but can you see they all are equal? See, what is this? These two parts are exactly equal with these 4 parts. Can you see this? Hence 2/3 and 4/6 are equal. Okay, although values are different. See, 2 and 4 are different, 3 and 6 are different. Still they are equivalent. जिनकी वैल्यू सेम होती है उसको equivalent fraction बोला जाता है. Okay, now see, let us how can we get the equivalent fractions. When the numerator and the denominator of a fraction are multiplied by the same non-zero number, we get a fraction that is equivalent to the given fraction. अगर हम न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को सेम नंबर से, एक सेम नंबर जो ज़ीरो नहीं है ऐसे सेम नंबर से अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद हमें जो फ्रैक्शन मिलेगा वो और पहले वाला फ्रैक्शन इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन हो गए. लेट अस सी दैट. सो इफ दिस 1/2 इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2, ओके, both numerator and denominator gets multiplied by 2, what fraction I will get? 1 2s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, can you see it? So 1/2 and 2/4 are 1/2 and 2/4 are equivalent. Okay, if I multiply this same 1/2 into 3, so 1 into 3 3, 2 into 3 6. Okay, hence 1/2 and 3/6 are equal, or they are equivalent fraction. Okay, same way let us see one more example. If I multiplied this 2/3 by 2, so 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. So since if I multiply this 2/3 by 2, I get the fraction 4/6. Hence they both are equivalent fraction. The second point is, if the numerator and denominator have a common divisor, then the fraction we get on dividing them by that divisor is equivalent to the given fraction. Okay, now let us see this point. If they both are divided by the same number, see 4/6, 2/3 को तो हम डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते, हम 4/6 को करके देखते हैं. 4 and 6 दोनों को हम अगर 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं, 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 एंड 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? 4 को अगर 2 से डिवाइड किया तो आंसर विल बी 2, और 6 को 2 से डिवाइड किया तो आंसर विल बी 3. सो 2/3. सी 2/3 अगेन सेम, इसी नंबर को इस नंबर को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो ये आंसर मिलेगा, इस नंबर को 2 से डिवाइड किया तो ये आंसर मिलेगा, राइट? Hence they are equivalent fraction. Okay, so now listen here that multiplication and division, both operation has to be done on both numerator and denominator. न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को दोनों को सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, अलग अलग नंबर से नहीं करना है, या फिर आइदर न्यूमरेटर को और आइदर डिनोमिनेटर को, ऐसे एक को नहीं करना है. दोनों को अगर हम साथ में करेंगे तो ही हमें इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन मिलेगा. और ये एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं कर सकते इन पे हमको यहाँ पे सिर्फ मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन, ये दोनों ही ऑपरेशंस अलाउड है. अगर हम दोनों ऑपरेशंस करने के कोई भी एक ऑपरेशन करने के बाद हमें फाइनल फ्रैक्शन जो मिलेगा वो इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन होगा. ओके, सो टुडे वी हैव सीन द टॉपिक इक्विवेलेंट